How the hell? Friends, neighbors, and adventure seekers across the land and around the world. Yes, it's that time again. We're going to try giving magnet fishing a try. Kind of a noisy area because, well, hell, I'm underneath the freeway. But it's an easy spot for me to get to, kind of, if I don't break my ass going down this hill, because it's not all that far from home. And, well, it's worth a try. So here we go. Oh shit. I don't know if it shows on this camera, but this is kind of steep and kind of jagged and kind of dangerous. Alrighty. Let's see what we can do here. Maybe we can find something. Hey, some crazy sons of guns are throwing things off the freeway. The California Trail used to run right through here. And if you read any of the old diaries of the people on the California Trail, apparently, in order to get through this canyon, they had to cross the river like multiple times. I don't know. 6, 7, 8 times. I don't know. But a lot anyway. So, oh my Lord, that's tangled up. That's the last time I let my grandson wrap the rope up for me. Now I'm going to waste battery filming myself untying this thing. But don't worry. I'm going to cut out all this footage of me fucking with the rope. We're untangulated. River's not too deep. Haven't had a lot of rain. We got some rain last night, which kind of shocked me because, oh, we haven't had any rain in, I don't know, man, long time. So the river's crazy super low. Somebody red Solo cup out here. This might be a total waste of time. Nice day, actually. It's pretty cool. Temperatures upper 60s, maybe 70. Which is pretty good since it's been so hot lately. It freaking thunderstormed last night. Or so I'm told. Pretty sure I slept through them because I don't remember any thunder. And lightning. Very, very frightening. Me, Galileo Figaro. Magnifico. I'm just a poor boy dragging a magnet. Yeah, I don't live in the best part of the world for magnet fishing. simply because we don't have a huge population in this part of the world. And that don't bother me a whole lot. Until I try and do something stupid like magnet fishing. I don't know. Do I just trump through here, or do I try and go over those rocks? Yeah. These boots are supposed to be relatively waterproof. Bear can. Deeper water. I mean, somebody was probably here fishing. I don't know. Let's see what we can find. Is there something stuck to my magnet? Oh my lord, there's something stuck to my magnet. What do we got? We got a freaking nail. Yippee! Little 6-penny freaking nail. Yeah, that'll impress people. Maybe not. I kind of doubt it. I really do. And untie myself. Well, I actually found a nail. That's something. Ooh, I think I found something. Yeah, there's definitely something on there. Oh, it feels kind of heavy. I don't want to lose it on a rock. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? We got fence post. Cool. I got a fence post. Boy, that's sit there, right there, and an iron rod. That'd make for a good drift. Huh. Alrighty. Well, I'm actually pulling something in. Isn't this exciting? Gotta bend over and get my rope. I got a fence post and a piece of iron. Well, it proves that the magnet will pull something in that's kind of heavy. If it'll pull in that, it should pull in a gun or whatever else might be out there. Just can't believe it. I actually got 2 things in one throw. I am thoroughly amazed. I guess that makes that my first twofer. My first menage a trois with the magnet. Well, I'm just glad that the magnet proved itself with that fence post and that iron bar on one throw. It actually shows that the magnet can pull at least that much in. Without losing it on that rocky bottom. Yeah, all of a sudden that magnet got heavy, but I felt it. Oh, there it goes. No, that was probably going over a rock right there. The magnet has somewhat proved itself. The last couple of times, just been little stuff that really didn't prove anything to me. It lets me know that for a $35 magnet, it will at least maybe prove worth its investment. At least I'll get $35 worth of entertainment out of it. Oh, I might have to take a sit-down break. Oh, 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 oh. What do we got? Another freaking nail. Far out. A bent nail. And I guess that's it. Bye, nail. What's that? He's where? Yeah. I don't know if that counts as catching something or not. It was right there. You be the judge. I kind of won't count it. Yeah. Make sure I'm not tied up in my rope. I'll find me someplace. Big old cow turd. Where in the hell did that cow come from? Watch me fall backwards into the river. I'm gonna sit down and smoke me a cigarette. Whoa, this rock's freaking moving. Watch it roll down the hill with me on it. I'm gonna turn off the camera, smoke a cigarette, and turn the camera back on when I'm done. Okie doke. We're gonna move on down just a little bit because I don't feel like fighting going on the other side of that big old pole, and see if we find anything with a couple more throws, and then I don't know, we'll head back on up to the car and we'll decide whether I got time to move to another spot or whether it's time to go home, because I don't know what time it is. Because, well, last thing I want to do is drown it. Okay, we're going to try right here where we can't see because the sun's reflecting off the water. Well, that didn't work. Yeah, got a further throw. A farther throw. I threw it further. However, I'm supposed to say that. Do I got something? Do I got something? I think I does. I do's. What do I got? What the heck do I got? Oh, it's a piece of cable. Big piece of cable. Hmm. Lord only knows what that's doing in a river. Ooh, get tangled up here. Let's see. Yeah, all of a sudden that magnet got heavy. So, it's proven it can pick up pretty heavy stuff and drag it through big old rocks and things without releasing it. So I'm happy. My magnet has proved itself, and that's what I've been wanting. Proof that it was worth the $35. And I think I actually proved it, even though I didn't find anything real special. It proved it'll pick stuff up. That was a pretty good toss. Okay, we're going to call it done for this spot for today. Okay, there's my spot. Ugh. God, I'm getting too old for this shit. God, I gotta walk all the way over there to get to the car. Fun.